Welcome back to Channel V8X, the home of power, luxury, and next-level automobiles. If you love elite SUVs, bold design, and American-style luxury, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because today on Channel V8X, we're looking at something truly special. Meet the 2026 Lexus LX 800h, finished in a stunning matte black, an SUV that doesn't just arrive, it dominates. From the very first glance at the front view, this Lexus makes a statement. That massive spindle grille, finished in deep black, combined with razor-sharp LED headlights, gives the LX 800h an aggressive yet refined personality. It's bold, confident, and unmistakably Lexus. This is the kind of front design that turns heads at traffic lights and commands respect in every parking lot. Move to the side profile, and the luxury really comes alive. The long, muscular body lines, premium black alloy wheels, and perfectly balanced proportions give this SUV a powerful road presence. From this angle, you can feel the strength, the stability, and the engineering behind it. This isn't just an SUV, it's a luxury fortress on wheels. Now let's talk about the rear view. Wide stance. Clean lines. Modern LED tail lights glowing with authority. The back of the 2026 Lexus LX 800h looks solid, premium, and purposeful, designed to look just as impressive driving away as it does pulling up. Step inside, and the dashboard view tells a completely different story, one of comfort, technology, and elegance. Premium leather, large digital displays, ambient lighting, and a driver-focused cockpit surround you in luxury. Everything feels refined, modern, and thoughtfully designed, making long drives feel effortless and first-class. Under the hood, the engine view reveals the heart of this SUV, a powerful hybrid system engineered for performance and efficiency. The 800h badge represents strength with intelligence, delivering smooth power while keeping things refined and advanced. This is luxury that works smart, not just hard. From above, the drone view shows just how commanding this SUV really is. The matte black finish absorbs light beautifully, highlighting the bold shape and premium proportions. Whether parked or in motion, it looks like it owns the road from every angle. On the highway, the Lexus LX 800h glides with confidence. Smooth acceleration, rock-solid stability, and a quiet, composed ride, this SUV is built for American highways and long-distance comfort. It feels powerful without being aggressive, luxurious without being flashy. And when the sun goes down, the night shot is pure magic. LED headlights cut through the darkness, city lights reflect off the matte black body, and the LX 800h transforms into a true nighttime icon. Elegant, intimidating, and absolutely unforgettable. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Lexus LX 800h is expected to be priced around the $110,000 to $120,000 range, depending on trims and options. Yes, it's premium, but this level of luxury, technology, and presence doesn't come cheap. Closing, channel call. So if you're looking for an SUV that delivers power, luxury, and unmatched road presence, the 2026 Lexus LX 800h in matte black is in a league of its own. This is Channel V8X, where luxury meets horsepower. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next one.